have a quick recapitulation of what we studied in our previous class. I request Aditya Hoshamani, please unmute yourself. Aditya, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
In our previous class, what we learned, please, can you explain within 1 or 2 lines?
We learned the types of money credits.
Okay, good. Then next,
In that, we learned, sir, two types where there, sir. One is festival season, sir, and another one is uh, shoe that leather, sir. The leather he'll go to sell, sir. He will take loan because of the weather and weather conditions, sir. He'll not be able. His Her crop will get.
okay, very good Aditya. Next, Nandesh of 10th B. Please unmute yourself. Nandesh, are you present in meeting? Next, dear cadet, as we are talking and discussing the chapter number 3, money and credit, today's topic of discussion is the terms of credit. So I request you all, please have a notebook and a textbook and to copy down the important point. Next, Neelkant Raj. Neelkant, are you present in meeting? Please unmute yourself and start to read. Neelkant, are you present?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, please continue.
Terms of credit.
Okay, very
loan
good.
agreement. Yes,
Have
sir.
a pause. Dear cadet, as you are observing the photograph, in the photograph you are seeing the word, few words are there in the bold, right? That's a collateral. We are going to talk and discuss about collateral. We are going to see the terms of credit. Make your dreams come true with our. So, you are seeing here the Bank of Punjab, right? So, like that, we are going to see the important point from this. Neelkant, please continue.
Every loan agreement specifies an interest rate which the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. In addition, lenders may demand collateral security against loans.
Okay, very good.
Collateral.
Stop. Now, first we are talking about the terms of credit. In the terms of credit, we are seeing first every loan agreement specifies an interest rate. Whenever we are going to have a loan, we are going to have a specific agreements for the interest to repay it, right? Which the borrower must pay to the lender. Whomsoever is lending the money, they are charging the high rate of interest, right? Along with the repayment of the principal. The principal amount also you have to repay to them as well as the interest also. In addition, the lender may demand the collateral or the security against the loan. So first of all, the dear cadet, please understand the meaning of the word collateral. That means a type of a security. Suppose you are taking a loan from me, so I will ask you for the collateral, right? That means if you are not able to repay the loan, whatever the amount of money you have taken from me, as an guarantee I am going to take your collateral if you are not going to repay it. So what is collateral? Lakshmi, please continue. 10C, Lakshmi.
Good morning,
Lakshmi,
sir.
very good morning. Lakshmi, please unmute yourself. Next, Bhavna, are you present in meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please continue, child.
Terms of credit. Every loan agreement specifies an interest rate which the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. In addition, lenders may demand collateral security against loans. Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposits with banks, and uses this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. If the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender has a right to sell the asset or collateral to obtain payment. Properties such as land titles, deposits with banks, livestock are some common examples of collateral used for borrowing.
Okay, very good, Lakshmi. Now, dear cadet, this is the definition of collateral. It can be asked in the form of 1 marks MCQ to you. What do you mean by the term collateral? And the following options will be there. So, let's understand the concept of collateral. Is an asset that the borrower owns, such as a land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposit with bank or livestock. For a common example, जैसे कि मेरे घर पर 2 भैंस है और मुझे लोन चाहिए, तो अगर मुझे लोन चाहिए, अगर मैं वो लोन रीपे नहीं कर पाऊंगा तो मैं वो लाइफ स्टॉक है उसको एज अ कोलेट्रल रख सकता हूँ. इफ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीपे द लोन, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव माई 2 buffalo to you. It's clear to you? If I am having a land piece, I can go for that. If I am having the building, vehicle or so on. So like that, the collateral is an asset that the borrowers own. Whomso is going to borrow the money is going to have that asset, which can have the examples of the land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposit with the bank and so on, and which is going to be used as a guarantee, right, to the lender until the loan is going to be repaid. Suppose you have taken the housing loan from any nationalized bank or from any bank, so that your house property papers are going to be with the bank, as well as you are in the form of EMI or the other form you are going to repay the loan. If you are failed to repay the loan, what the bank is going to do is, but the bank is going to sell your house, and after that the loan is going to be repaid. So dear cadet, please understand this, why the guarantee is going to be there, because lots of malfunctioning was going on, lots of the thing, people used to take the money from people and after that they used to repose, we haven't taken the money and like that. So number of the things were going on. Next, if the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender has a right to sell the asset or the collateral to obtain the payment.
Sir, your voice is getting cut, sir.
Okay beta, okay. Property such as the
Not
land,
audible.
deposit with banks.
Sir, your voice is getting cut, sir.
Okay. So common examples of collaterals have used for borrowing. The cadet, those who are making the different smiley face, symbols, thumbs up, like, dislike, please stop this all. Your attention should be to the concept only, not to have a fun, not to crying face, right? Please stop all this. Next, a house loan. Next, Basavraj of 10th B. Basavraj of 10th B. Next, Jairam Mule of 10th A.
Yes, sir.
Please continue, child.
Hello.
Jairam Mule
A
of
house
10th
loan.
A,
Mega
please
house-
continue.
Sir,
A house loan. With this
A house
example,
loan.
we are going to understand this.
Mega has a house.
Jairam Mule, please unmute yourself because your voice is not audible to everyone. Next, Ravi Tej
Hello, sir.
of 10th A. Ravi Tej,
Yes, sir.
please unmute yourself, child, and please read this example. A house loan. Mega
A house
has
loan.
taken a loan.
Mega has taken a loan of rupees 5 lakhs from the bank to purchase a house. The annual interest rate on the loan is 12% and the loan is to be repaid in 10 years in monthly installments. Mega had to submit to the bank documents showing her employment records and salary before the bank agreed to give her the loan. The bank retained as collateral the papers of the new house, which will be returned to Mega only when she repays the entire loan with interest.
Okay, very good. Now fill the blanks, right, for you. So Mega's housing loan. The details are present in front of you. Ravitesh, please unmute yourself. Next, loan amount, you have to write in rupees. duration of the loan, document required, interest rate, mode of repayment, and the collateral. So this is your homework. You have to read this one. After that, the loan amount in the rupees you have to write here. Mega has taken the loan of rupees 5 lakh from the bank, right?
Yes.
So 5
Yes,
lakh is going to be here. Duration of the loan,
10 years.
right? Repaid in 10 years. Like that you have to write. Documents required. So what are the documents you is going to
Employment
submit to
records
the
and
bank?
salary.
Employment record salary.
Very good. Next, like that you have to fill up this. Next, Sangamesh of 10C. Next, Vikas Sugar of 10C. Okay. Next, Prakash Wali of 10C. Please continue, child.
May I read, sir?
Yeah, continue, child.
Interest rate, collateral and documentation requirement and the mode of repayment together comprise what is called the terms of credit. The terms of credit vary substantially from one credit
Okay, Mayur, I will
arrangement to
give you a
another.
chance.
Sir,
Siddharaya, please continue, child.
they may vary depending on the nature of the lender and the borrower. The next section will provide examples of the varying terms of credit in different credit arrangements.
Very good. Next, Mayur, what is your question? Please ask to me. Please unmute yourself, Mayur.
Yes, sir.
You are raising the hand, please. You want
Sir,
to
not
read out?
question. Sir, I was asking to read.
Okay. You can continue.
Which, sir?
This is same one.
Yes.
Sir,
Interest
I have a
rate.
question, sir.
Who want to ask the question? Please speak out your name first.
My name is Cadet Sidrai, sir.
Okay, Siddharaya, please continue with your question.
They have given
Your voice is breaking in between, child. We are not able to hear properly.
withdraw their money, sir.
Sorry,
Sir,
I am
in
not
question it
getting
is
your
asked,
question.
sir. Sir, in textbook
Hello?
it is asked that, sir, if depositors want, if all depositors have taken their money, sir,
Yes?
then they have to depend on the loan, sir.
Siddharaya, please speak out your question properly. Your question is related to this topic which we are continuing this one, or the question is from the previous presentation?
Sir, previous, sir.
Okay, very good. We will take at the last when 10 minutes are going to be there, right? For
Yes,
that
sir.
purpose, I am telling you whatever we had studied in the previous presentation at the starting of the class only I am asking to you. Whatever the question will be there, next time please remember when I will start the class, I will do the generalization, whatever we had studied in our previous class. At the time, please raise up your hands or please text me on the WhatsApp. I will take your question with your name.
Yes,
So
sir.
in that your question we are going to take after the session, 10 minutes will be there. Next,
Okay,
Mayur, please continue the reading.
Yes, sir. Interest rate, collateral and documentation requirement, and the mode of repayment together comprise what is called the terms of credit. The
Okay,
terms of
stop
credit.
Mayur. Good. Have a pause. So here interest rate, collateral and the documentation required and the mode of repayment together we are calling is the terms of credit. Please have a tick mark in your notebook. Otherwise take a screenshot and have a underline to it. That is going to be called as the terms of credit. Please Mayur continue. Good.
The terms of credit substantially from one credit arrangement to another. They may depending on the nature of the lender and the borrower. The next section will provide examples of the varying terms of credit in different credit arrangements.
Okay, very good. Now we are going to see about. Next, please unmute yourself. Abhiram is there, 10th A. Abhiram.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, please continue.
Yes, sir. Interest, collateral, and
No, beta, please continue. Then I will explain.
why do lenders ask for collateral while lending? Given the question 2, given that a large number of people in our country are poor, does it in any way affect their capacity to borrow? Question 3, fill in the blanks using the correct option from the brackets. While taking a loan, borrowers look for easy terms of credit. This means dash low or high interest rate with dash easy or tough conditions for repayment and less or more collateral and documentation requirements.
Okay, very good. Now the time is over here, right? You have to do the fill in the blanks, question number 2 and question number 1. So I am giving you just 5 minutes for reading this question and framing the answer. After that, I will ask to any cadet. Attentiveness to the live classes is very important. I am speaking the name of the child. The child, I think so, is sleeping at the home, not responding. Again and again, I am giving chance to the cadets. So for that purpose, I have to speak out only the few names again and again. Those who are actively participating, responding very quickly to the teacher. So I request 60-70 cadets are present in the meeting. You all are having the equal opportunity to learn together. So all of you, please don't miss out the chance to interact with the teacher, to ask your doubts and difficulty, and to read out the concept. There is no need to shy. Please continue. The
Sir,
first
can I
question
answer
answer, Ashwath, you are going to do. First question answer, Ashwath, you will answer it. The next, second question, its answer, Sainath Kohli. The next, third question answer, Maya Raj. Please quickly move ahead. Ashwath, please read the question and answer it. Is anybody
Sir,
else want
can
to
I
answer
answer
it?
first answer, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else want to answer it?
Yes, sir, Mayur.
Okay. First question answer.
Why do lenders ask for collateral while lending?
Okay, very good. Please continue with your answer.
The lenders ask for collateral while lending because of payment and repayment of the principal. If they are not paying within a time, sir, they can sell their collateral items and recover the loan.
Okay, very good answer. Next, Abhishek of 10C. Abhishek, please unmute yourself and answer the first question. Next, Sankalp, 10th A.
Yes, sir.
Please answer the question number 1.
Lenders ask for collateral because they use this as a guarantee to the lender until the loan is repaid.
Very good. Next, second question. Abhiram, unmute yourself and answer it. Abhiram, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. The question
number
is,
second for you.
given that a large number of people in our country are poor, does it anyway affect their capacity to borrow? Yes, sir. This the
First, tell
poverty.
me what the question is asking to you.
Yes, sir. Second one.
No, second question, what the question is asking from you. What the answer you want.
It is asking how does poverty of India affect the ability of people to borrow money, sir?
Okay, good. Once again, I will read for you. Given that a large number of the people in our country are poor, right?
Yes, sir.
Does it in any way affect their capacity to borrow? Okay, your answer now.
It yes, sir. It affects the capacity to borrow, sir, because the poverty of people, it um, as they are poor, they cannot repay the loan in the stipulated given time. Therefore, they have to keep collateral, sir, like their property, their jewelry, etc. They keep as collateral, and as they fall into a debt trap, it becomes very difficult for them to repay the money. Therefore, the money lenders will use their collateral for as repayment, sir.
Okay, very excellent answer, Abhiram. You mentioned about the debit trap. That's very correct because as
Sir,
we
can
are
I
talking
answer?
about the people in our country are poor, right? So capacity to borrow, right? I will give one more chance to any other cadet. After that, I will explain the question number second, right? Abhiram, please have attention to that.
Yes, sir.
Next, Bhavna is present. Bhavna from 10th C. Next, Nikhil Patil of 10th A. 5741.
Yes, sir.
Please answer the question number second.
Sir, because the people most people of our country are poor, they do not have anything to keep as collateral, sir.
Very interesting, very excellent answer. Please continue.
Sir, so this, sir, because of this, lenders do not give them loan. So this affects their capacity to borrow.
Very good answer. Now here you have seen the two answer, one given by Abhiram, another given by the Nikhil. Both are absolutely correct in their own way. Here we are talking about the peoples are poor. The first answer was stating about the condition, how the people are becoming poorer and affecting their capacity to borrow. If a person has taken the loan and moved into the debit trap, so it's going to be very difficult for that particular person to have another loan, because the capacity to borrow another loan, as we had seen in the case of Swapna, she sold the piece of land to repay the loan, right? The second answer we had seen from the Nikhil from 10th A. The answer was also very correct, because the poor people, they don't have anything, because already they are very poor. So they don't have the collateral. So what they are going to give as a guarantee or security to take the loan? Next,
Sir,
Pratyush Pandey.
they take loan from informal sources of credit, sir, like money lenders, relatives.
Very good answer, Mayur. Informal sources are very harmful for them.
Yes.
Any other answer from anyone? Just like Mayur is speaking. Anybody wants to answer the question number second? Okay, very good, Abhiram and Nikhil and Mayur. Very good answer. Next, Sankalp.
Yes, sir.
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks using correct option. While taking a loan, borrowers look for easy terms of credit. This means low interest rate, easy conditions for repayment, less collateral and documentation requirements.
Okay. Next, Shanta Kumar, 10C.
Yes, sir.
Please answer it. Fill in the blanks. I will not answer it because already you have listened to Sankalp, right? Your answer.
While taking a loan, borrowers look for easy terms of
Read
credit.
little bit aloud, child.
While taking a loan, borrowers look for easy terms of credit. This means low interest rate, easy conditions for repayment, less collateral and documentation requirements.
Okay, very good. Now, Shrey Patil of 10C.
Yes, sir.
You have listened the answer of from the two boys, right?
Yes, sir.
Shanta
Yes, sir.
Kumar and Sankalp, right?
Yes, sir.
Both the cadet has stated correct answer or incorrect answer.
Correct answer, sir, because they are asking for easy terms for credit, sir. It should be easy for them to
Okay,
pay back the
very
loan,
good.
sir.
Next, Ray Patil.
Yes,
While
sir.
taking a loan, the borrower look for easy terms of credit. Why?
Sir, because it should be easy for them to pay back the loan, sir. Or else they'll have to sell their collateral and like Abhiram said, they'll fall into a debt trap again, sir.
Very good. Now, I hope so the concept while interacting with the teacher, having the discussion on a specific question, the question and the answer are crystal clear to all of you. So, I request all the cadets, those who are present in the meeting, please interact. Try to speak out your answer. Just the Mayur and other cadet, they are raising their hands or palms showing to me so that I will understand the child is having any doubt or difficulty or want to ask the question. That's a correct way to interact in between. So I request you all. So please continue with that. Next, Tanmay, 10th A.
Yes, sir.
Tanmay, 10th A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before moving ahead, this slide is remaining for the explanation purpose. Please read out.
Interest rate, collateral, and documentation requirement, and the mode of repayment together comprise what is called the terms of credit. The terms of credit.
Have a pause. Whenever one paragraph is finishing, you have to stop. Please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Tanmay, unmute yourself. Okay. As we had seen in our previous one, interest rate, collateral, documentation required for the loan, mode of repayment, together we are comprised, that is called as the terms of credit. So here we are having the following point in MCQ. The question is going to be framed, which is going to be the order of the terms of credit. In that, the interest rate, collateral, document will be there, and here it is going to be there, subsidy. So which is going to be the odd one? Subsidy is going to be the odd one because it is not given here, and that's not come under the terms of credit. Then the terms of credit, right, vary subsequently from one credit arrangement to another. Everything is going to be different from one pattern to another by giving to the borrower, lending money, and so on. They may vary depending on the nature of the lender and the borrower, as I stated you earlier. The next section will provide the example of this type of credit arrangement. So let's quickly see that. As we already seen this 3 question, we are having this 2 part, variety of credit arrangement. Those who are having the textbook, please unmute yourself and
Yes, sir.
respond quickly. Those who are having the textbook in their hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can I read?
Okay, so variety of credit arrangement. Pratyush Pandey, please start to read.
Yes, sir. Just a second, sir. I'll open page.
Okay, very good. First read this variety of credit arrangement, example of a village.
Yes, sir. Rohit, variety of credit arrangements. Example of a village. Rohit and Ranjan had finished reading about the terms of credit in class. They were eager to know the various credit arrangements that existed in their area. Who were the people who provided credit? Who were the borrowers? What were the terms of credit? They decided to talk to some people in their village. Read what they recorded.
Okay, very good. Next, Abhimanyu Singh.
Yes, sir.
Please read. 15th November 2019.
15th November 2019. We head directly for the fields where most farmers and laborers would be working at this time of the day. The fields are planted with potato crops. We first meet Syamal, a small farmer in Sonpur, a small irrigated village.
Okay.
Can I continue, sir?
Very good. No, beta. Please have a pause. Now we are observing here. You are observing in the photograph. This is the plant or the crop of potato, right? And downside, the women are there. They are harvesting the potatoes, right? So I request Abhimanyu, please continue, child, so that everybody can get benefit.
Syamal tells us that every season he needs loan for cultivation on his 1.5 acres of land. Till a few years back, he would borrow money from the village moneylenders at an interest rate of 5% per month, that is 60% per annum. For the last few years, Syamal has been borrowing from an agricultural trader in the village at an interest rate of 3% per month. At the beginning of the cropping season, the trader supplies the farm inputs on credit, which is to be prepaid when the crops are ready for harvest. Besides the interest charged on the loan, the trader also makes the farmers promise to sell the crop to him. This way, the trader can ensure that money is repaid from. Also, since the crop prices are low after the harvest, the trader is able to make a profit from buying the crop at a low price from the farmers and then selling it later when the price has risen.
Okay, very good. Now, as you are observing in this case, the explanation part, Ravi Tej, 10th A. Ravi Tej,
Yes, sir.
please, what the story of Shamal is telling to you.
Sir, I don't have textbooks, sir. I'm not able to listen.
Okay, very good. Next, anybody else, those who are having the textbook?
Hello, sir.
Yes, who is this? Shrey
Sir,
Patil?
yes, sir.
Please explain.
Sir, Sharmal is an agricultural worker, sir. He has 1.5 acres of land, sir, but he doesn't have enough money to cultivate on his land, sir. So, until some years back, he used to borrow money from the money lender at 60% interest rate per annum, sir. Yes, sir. At the beginning of cropping season, the trader would supply the farm inputs on credit, sir. And then when the crops were ready to be harvested, the credit was supposed to be repaid, sir.
Okay, very good. For a common example, Abhiram, are you present in meeting? Please unmute yourself quickly.
Yes, sir.
Abhiram,
Yeah, I'm there, sir.
you want 100 rupees from me, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Then I will give you 100 rupees, but the interest is going to be the 10%. So for 100 rupees, the 10%, what the amount you are going to give to me as a interest?
10 rupees interest, sir. Total, I would like to give 110 rupees, sir.
Very good answer. So like that, Abhiram has to pay 110 rupees, but 10 rupees per month he will give up to when he is going to repay my 100 rupees also and 10 rupees also. If he want to complete this loan system, he will pay me 100 rupees as well as the 10 rupees and interest. But if he is failed to repay it, he is going to pay 10 rupees every month. So if the 10 month he is going to pay 10 rupees, the 100 rupees already I am getting as an interest, but still my 100 rupees is with Abhiram. Plus I am having the collateral of Abhiram. He is having a very good novel of so and so. So that novel I am going to take it, right? If he is going to fail. But the novel cost is of 500 rupees. So in that all the beneficial points are for the money lender only, right? So the borrower always in the negative situation only. Very good, Abhiram. Next, the second and third, these are for your homework purpose. You please read out, and after this, let's work these out. You have to do it. Those who are having the textbook, please go ahead with that. Those who are not having the textbook, please download the e-book or PDF book from NCERT website and continue the homework, right? Loans from cooperatives, this part, and this 6 questions are placed here. Please go ahead with this, right? After reading this, you will be able to answer these questions. Shrey Patil, are you having the textbook?
Yes, I have it.
Please read out the questions which are here. Only the question.
Yes, sir. First question, sir. List the various sources of credit in Sonpur. Second question. Underline the various uses of credit in Sonpur in the above passages. Third question. Compare the terms of credit for the small farmer, the medium farmer, and the landless agricultural worker in Sonpur. Fourth question. Why will Arun have a higher income from cultivation compared to Shamlal? Fifth question. Can everyone in Sonpur get credit at a cheap rate? Who are the people who can? Sixth question. Pick the correct answer. Over the years, Rama's debt A will rise, B will remain constant, C will decline. Second question. Arun is the Arun is one of the few people in Sonpur to take a bank loan because A, other people in the village prefer to borrow from moneylenders. B, banks demand collateral which everyone cannot provide. C, interest rate on bank loans is same as the interest rate charged by the traders. Sir, last
Okay,
question is kind of
very
like
good.
an
I
active
want to
question.
ask a very simple question. Those who are belonging from North India, right? If they are having an agriculture crop, so they are knowing about the potatoes harvesting, sowing season, and each and everything, which already we had taken all this point in the chapter number 4, agriculture in geography. So in the upcoming presentation, please, the North Indian cadet, please ready, because I am going to ask few questions to you. At the last, Siddharaya, you were asking one question. Please unmute yourself and state your question once again. Siddharaya, are you present in meeting? Okay. So dear cadet, today we are ending here. If you are having still any doubt and difficulty, please let me know. And I want to say very good to all of you, because you are sending your question answer homework in a very effective way. Thank you each and everyone. Yes,
Sir, today
Abhimanyu.
is there any function in our school, sir?
Yes, third period is not there, right?
Sir, what is the
Hello.
sir? What is function which you are going to
I
celebrate?
will let you know, beta. I will text you on WhatsApp, or in the group I will post it, right?
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you each and everyone. Please be prepared, right? Your exams are going to be there. Prepare very well. If any one of you are having any doubt and difficulty, please ask to me. Still I am asking Siddharaya, please, if you are having any doubt and difficulty, let me know, right? Thank you to each and everyone. Now you
Thank
can
you,
leave the
sir.
meeting.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank you
sir.
to everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Is Shiv Kumar Chauhan is present in the meeting
Thank you, sir.
from 10C?
Nobody is there, sir.
Okay,
Sir, in
okay.
page number 42, sir.
You please text me on WhatsApp, Siddharaya now,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Because I have to go for that function, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good to
Sorry, sir.
you.
Due to network problem, sir.
I understood, beta. That's why I told you, please message me on WhatsApp. I will explain your doubt and difficulty there.
To protect the potato from being spoiled, we are keeping in cold storage, sir.
Very good,
Okay, sir.
Abhimanyu. Thank
As
you
you
each
asked.
and
Thank you,
everyone.
sir.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care.
Bye, sir. Take care, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.